Well, got myself some more solar panels delivered, and I got a fool with that. Get some more connectors and stuff. So, yep, one of those summers. But I should have about 4 kilowatt once it's all ready to go. We'll see. But that's how it gets to your door. You order liftgate service, and there you go. So this is a little shout out to Santan Solar. Look in the link description, and this is where I get my good panels for low money. A little bit used, a little bit factory blims, but that's the way to go. And little shout out to Fastway Freight there. They've been real good with delivering. Okay, so